Question number 1.
By 2028, Noah working at the law firm in Boston for 15 years. A. Will have been B. Had been C. Has been.
Question number 2.
Sophia reading the report for an hour before Liam called. A. Had been B. Was C. Has been.
Question number 3.
Liam attend the meeting tomorrow if his flight lands on time. A. May B. Must C. Shall.
Question number 4.
You show your driver's license to rent a car in Austin, Texas. A. Must be. May C. Could.
Question number 5.
Sophia said she help if she finished her own work early. A. Would be. Will C. Shall.
Question number 6.
Noah play the guitar when he was in high school. A. Can be. Could C. Must.
Question number 7.
Liam be the one who left his phone on the desk. A. Might be. Must C. May.
Question number 8.
Sophia placed her notes on the table before the exam. A. Neatly B. Neat C. Neater.
Question number 9.
Noah always checks his emails before leaving for work. A. Usually B. Usual C. Use.
Question number 10.
Liam runs than most of his teammates in Seattle, Washington. A. Faster B. Fastly C. Fast.
Question number 11.
Sophia writes essays more than her classmates. A. Clearly B. Clear C. Clearest.
Question number 12.
Noah had finished his assignment before the deadline. A. Nearly B. Near C. Nearest.
Question number 13.
Sophia studied late, she managed to pass the test. A. Therefore B. However C. Although.
Question number 14.
Liam was exhausted, he still finished his project. A, however B, therefore C, and.
Question number 15.
Noah loves baseball, Sophia prefers basketball. This sentence uses a, semicolon B, colon C, comma splice.
Question number 16.
Liam bought several items, notebooks, pencils, and markers. A, B, C.
Question number 17.
Sophia's car parked outside the library in Boston, Massachusetts. A, was B, were C, is.
Question number 18.
Each of the drivers responsible for following the rules. A, is B, are C, were.
Question number 19.
Neither Noah nor his colleagues willing to change the plan. A, is B, are C, was.
Question number 20.
Somebody left jacket in the classroom. A, there B, there's C, they.
Question number 21.
All of the visitors must sign names at the entrance. A, there B, there's C, they.
Question number 22.
Few of the suggestions useful for the project. A, is B, are C, was.
Question number 23.
Sophia said she left her notebook at home. A, has B, had C, was.
Question number 24.
By this time next month, Noah preparing for his new job in Austin, Texas. A, will have been B, had been C, is.
Question number 25.
The documents delivered to the office yesterday. A, was B, were C, is.
Question number 26.
Active voice of the speech was given by Liam is. A, Liam gave the speech. B, Liam gives the speech. C, Liam giving the speech.
Question number 27.
passive voice of Sophia cleaned the room is A. The room is cleaned by Sophia. B. The room was cleaned by Sophia. C. Sophia was cleaned by the room.
Question number 28.
If Liam had prepared better, he passed the exam. A. Would be, would have. C. Will.
Question number 29.
If Sophia had left earlier, she caught the train. A. Would have. B. Will have. C. Has.
Question number 30.
If Noah had saved more money, he traveling abroad now. A. Would be. B. Will be. C. Would have been.
Question number 31.
If Liam had trained harder, he competing in the finals tomorrow. A. Would be. B. Will be. C. Would have been.
Question number 32.
Sophia enjoys painting, singing, and A. Dance. B. Dancing. C. To dance.
Question number 33.
Liam not only studied hard but also part-time at a cafe. A. Worked. B. Working. C. Works.
Question number 34.
Noah likes to jog, to swim, and A. Biking. B. To bike. C. Biked.
Question number 35.
Sophia enjoys not only books also movies. A. Or B. But C. And.
Question number 36.
Liam packed sandwiches, fruit, water for the trip to Seattle, Washington. A. And B. Or C. But.
Question number 37.
Dash you attending the conference in Austin, Texas, tomorrow? Asked Sophia. A. Are. B. Is. C. Was.
Question number 38.
Sophia said, I can't believe it's already. A. Friday. B. Fridays. C. Friday.
Question number 39.
The teacher said, bring the following items, pencils, rulers, and erasers. A. B. C.
Question number 40.
Noah told Sophia, going to Seattle, Washington, next month. A, there. B, there. C, there.
Question number 41.
The company increased its advertising budget, sales went up significantly. A, therefore. B, however. C, although.
Question number 42.
Sophia worked very hard, she still felt nervous. A, however. B, therefore. C, in addition.
Question number 43.
The committee unanimous in its decision. A, is. B, are. C, were.
Question number 44.
All of the water in the tank frozen overnight. A, is. B, was. C, were.
Question number 45.
The team practicing in the gym for the tournament. A, is. B, are. C, were.
Question number 46.
Neither of the answers correct. A, is. B, are. C, were.
Question number 47.
Sophia said she call Liam later that evening. A, would. B, will. C, shall.
Question number 48.
Noah asked Sophia if she help him with his homework. A, can. B, could. C, must.
Question number 49.
Liam had never such a beautiful view of Boston before. A, saw. B, seen. C, seeing.
Question number 50.
Sophia studying when the power went out. A, was. B, were. C, is.
How did you score? Tell us your score in the comments below. Share this quiz with your friends and family, challenge their English too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk Learner for more fun grammar quizzes every day. Let's learn together and grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, take care and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye bye and keep smiling.